Hey, what's up y'all? Joe here with the Texas Rancher, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Infiray Automotive AI NV2 night vision system. So this was sent to me a couple of days ago. Infiray was nice enough to send it out to me for review. There are a few reviews of this product online right now, but I could not find any reviews where people were testing it out in the field in a hunting environment. This product is actually designed to be put on the front of your car, truck or SUV, to protect drivers from pedestrians, deer, other wildlife crossing the road. So it's a vehicle detection system, or it's just to make driving at night safer. However, after looking at the product on their website and looking at some reviews, I thought the product could be useful for hunting. I'm a night hunter. I like to hunt hogs and coyotes here on the ranch, and I believe if I were to install this product on my Kawasaki Mule on the front of the grill, that I could use it to scan as I'm driving through pastures at night for animals. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do a real brief overview of the product, give you my thoughts and opinions of it as it is in the package, and then I'm going to do an installation on it, and then I'll do a field test. I'll probably make some videos while I'm actually field testing it, and then also do a video review after I've tested it and give you my thoughts and opinions of it. The product sells for $5.99. It's a 256 resolution, but it uses AI to upgrade the images and send it into 384 resolution. So let's go ahead and take out take off the lid. I can tell you I've already unboxed it myself, so I could look at it and familiarize myself with it. But I can tell you this, that the product packaging is very nice. If I didn't know already, I would swear that this product probably sold for $1,000 or so. As soon as you get it in your hands, you can tell that it's really good quality. Everything that comes with it, it seems to be well built, and I can appreciate the packaging. Those people that do unboxings all the time, I like the packaging and everything. I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out. We're kind of running out of daylight. I apologize for that. And the power went out earlier today, and in this area, and I don't know when it's going to come back on. So let's go ahead and pull this out, lay it all out on the table. I want to make this real quick. I know nobody likes videos that just linger on for long periods of time. So I'll put that there. So it comes with some hardware, an Allen wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver, and it comes with a bunch of little bitty screws. Beware if you do purchase this product. Some of these little screws were just loose in the box, and I almost lost some of them. So that's everything that's in the box. So this is the head unit, and it has a 3.5-inch screen, and it flips up. It's pretty small. Also, when you shut this, it turns off the power, and when you raise it up, it turns it back on. But there is a power button here. There's a volume up and a volume down. Those are the only buttons on the unit. It only has one additional feature. By pressing the volume up and the volume down button, long pressing them at the same time, it'll turn on a little heater which will defrost the lens of the thermal camera, which I think is really cool, because on cold days or nights, and when your windows and stuff are fogged up, the camera lens is probably going to be fogged up too. So you can defrost it, and then you can turn the heater off at any time by long pressing the volume up and the volume down button at the same time. Comes with a very long accessory cord or power cord. This is, I would guess, about 10 feet long. And then this is the data cable. It's kind of like a coax. It's kind of rigid. I wouldn't suggest pinching this or crimping it in any way. I'm sure that would damage the image or the data going through the cable. But I'm going to hook this up. I'm going to put this on the front grill of my Mule, and this is way more cable than I need, so I'll just wrap up the access cable in a zip tie. But this little camera here, and I also need to mention that it has a right side up. The label facing upwards, facing the up position, that's going to be right side up, because it will show the image upside down if you mount it wrong. It's got this bracket here. This is actually designed to go on a license plate, but I'm going to put it on the grill of my Mule. But it fits nicely in this little hole right here, and then it's got a little aluminum plate. Take this out. It's got a little aluminum plate with holes pre-drilled, and you put those tiny screws in there. 2 of them go diagonally in the middle, and then you got 2 on each end for a total of six holes. Line it up and then screw that down, and that makes sure that the camera stays in place firmly. And then it's got some rubber stoppers. It's got there's one, and there's one. So these little rubber stoppers, they will go in each of the holes after you put the hardware through. It comes with two Allen head bolts, and those would go into your license plate holder or on your bumper of your car, truck, or SUV. In my case, it's going to go through the metal mesh on the front bumper of my Mule. So I may have to improvise and use different bolts so I can put nuts and a washer on the back to hold it. It came with a little bitty adhesive strip here. I don't know what that's for. I'm assuming that you could put it on the back of the camera and stick it to something. That's probably what that's for, if you didn't want to use this bracket and you wanted to stick it to something. I'm not a fan of double-sided tape and things like that are kind of semi-permanent. I don't like putting tape on things. It comes with a little screwdriver. This is a Phillips head, and it comes with an Allen wrench that'll fit the Allen bolts. And it comes with a double-sided bracket. It's cut to the shape of the back of the unit, and I suppose you can use this to stick it to the dash of your vehicle. For me, I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. Like I said, I don't like putting sticky things on stuff that I can't get off easily, so I'm probably just going to let the unit sit on the inside of my dash of the Mule. I have a DOT windshield on the Mule that will protect it from the weather. Speaking of weather, this camera is IP67 rated, which means that it is waterproof, submersible under up to 3 feet of water up to 30 minutes. The unit itself, it is weatherproof for rain and spray and dust. I think it's an IP57 rating. Don't quote me on that, but I did look it up, and this can get wet. You probably don't want to spray it with a power washer or something, and I wouldn't leave it out in the rain for prolonged periods of time. But it can get wet, and it can get dusty. There's the data cable plug-in right there, input, and then you've got your AC adapter right there. And as far as this, I just call them cigarette lighter cables, but accessory cables, it's pretty basic. This looks to be like a very common end on the end of this. So this is long. If you didn't need a long one, I think it would probably be easy to find a shorter one if you didn't want to deal with all the extra cable. But if you need the extra cable, it's good that it comes with it. The data cable, it's long. I haven't measured it, but I would say this thing is at least 10 to 12 feet long. It's very long. It should be enough cable. I'm going to be running it from the grill or the bumper underneath the front hood of the Mule and onto the dash. I'm only going to need like probably 3 feet of it, and then I'm just going to coil the rest of it up with a zip tie and tuck it away somewhere. So that is the unboxing, short and sweet and to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you're interested in this product, you can find it on the Infiray website. You can also find it on the Infrared website as well. Just look up the NV2 night vision system and you should find it. Like I said before at the beginning of the video, there aren't that many reviews on it. The ones I have seen are using it on cars and trucks and driving down streets and looking at pedestrians and stuff. I'm going to take it out in the field. I'm going to look for hogs and coyotes. Luckily for me, we've got plenty of cows here on the ranch, so I can do range tests. I can look at the cows at different distances, test it on myself or my friends for human size targets at different distances. We're going to put it to the test in the field, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. We're going to get it installed, and if this thing is what I think it can be, I think it's going to be a really useful tool at a very bargain price for hunters at $5.99. If any other vehicle mounted thermal on the market right now, the next cheapest one that I know of is by Night Rider, the Night Rider Ranger, and it is $1,869. And the next step up from that is a few other Night Rider Night Ride models, and there's anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000. And then Infiray has another new unit that just came out. It's a pan and tilt thermal camera that mounts on the top of your vehicle, and it's $7,000. So there's a huge gap between $599 and nearly $2,000. So if this unit here can help me scan for wildlife at night while I'm hunting, it could really be helpful. I'll let you guys know what I think about it. And if you're still watching the video, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, The Texas Rancher. We'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care, and as always, be good.